Hey everybody, welcome back to Godwin Garage / Jack of all trades. I got an air compressor from a friend. I guess he didn't want it no more. He said it was tripping breakers. Well, there's a questionable power cord on it. I don't really like the way it looks, so I'm going to change it, and I'm going to show you how to do it pretty easily, actually, on anything really. Anyways, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and you'll see why. So, this is the end, and I don't like that. I didn't, no. So first thing you want to do is you're gonna look up in here. You got your connector here. This is called a Romex clamp, which goes in to the side of this pressure switch here. It's 1/2 inch. So you got to undo your cords here. So you got, oh, actually, which one is it? It's this one and this one, if I'm correct. Can't really see though. I think that's what it is. So it's one of the two. So we're gonna take those off, take the ground off that's back here, pull this cord out, and then I got a new one. I got one here, which I could use that. I don't really want to use that though. It's still in a good package. So, or I have this one. Left over from a job I was doing. Man, the camera thing looks green and corroded, but it's not. That's kind of strange. All right, so first things first, you gotta take that stuff off. Get ready for the new cord. I'm gonna set you guys up here, give me a downward view while I change this. Let me zoom in for you. Oh, come on now. All right, move something. See if it'll help. Nope, not really. All right, so get out of the way. Come on. Get. Stay. Are you gonna stay there? Hopefully. I hope. We'll see. Okay. First things first. A little bit of light in there. There we go. So, we do need a screwdriver. Most definitely for this. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you know what? I know what I can do for that. Actually. Turn this on, plug it in. What? Is that the right cord? Yes, it is. And then I'll move this over here so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, don't fall. Stay there. There we go. So let me grab a screwdriver. So take your Phillips, figure out what you got to do here to get that off. So, ground. Wait a minute. Where's the ground going? It's kind of weird. Well, alrighty then. Come on, get in there. Alright, so get this clamp loosened up. Come on. Quit being a pain in the butt. Okay, got that off. So, yes, it is these two outer ones. Oh, I don't need a screwdriver. Look at that. Sweet. Pop those off. And that one off. There we go. Oh, there's the ground right there. Loosen that. That's it. Okay. It's a round one. Gotta take it all the way out. Okay. So, now that we got that off, we gotta get this off. Loosen these screws up. It'll loosen up the clamp and make it to where you can slide the wiring out. Okay. Alright, there's that. And then this can go in the garbage. I'm not going to ever use that again. That's trash. Spider webs. Okay, so we got our clamp there. Let's go ahead and put that back on now. I can get it on there. There it goes. Okay. Tighten it up. There we go. And then get your screw out, the grounding screw that you have. Okay, I need to get my magnet and some wire strippers. Okay, so I got wire strippers, I got my magnet to get the screw out of here. There we go. All right, so first things first. Strip your wire back. You know, you're gonna want about that much or so. Just give your little, you know, don't go too hard. Just kind of set it on it. Give it a little squeeze and spin the wire, and then pull it apart. And yank it off. Cool, I didn't bust through those, so that's good. Now the next thing you want to do, feed it through your cord, or feed the cord through where you want it. Okay, so you just shove these through here. Let's bring them up. Okay. Jeez. It's a really tight fit. There we go. Got that one. So we'll pull that through here to, that should be good right there. You want that, the sleeve of this, pretty much right at the end of this piece. Get it to where you want it, tighten it down. Okay. you go. All right, now we need to go find some crimpers for that. Let's go see if we can find some of my stuff. Let's see here. Don't know if I have any or not. Worth looking. These down. Yes, I do have some. There's one there. Oh wait, those have the connectors, so I can use these. So I need a round one for the ground. There we go. And then that one. And another one of those. There's another one. Alright. So that's what you're going to want to connect those. Grab those. And then come over and grab yourself a crimping tool. Looks like that. Now, first things first. Man, I wish this thing I could put it somewhere else. Well, it's easier to do it up top, I think. Hopefully it comes out good for you guys. Not really focusing, huh? Of course it's not. Why would it? Lovely. There we go. Had to give it something to focus on. All right. So first things first, you're gonna take your powers, give it a little bit of room. Call that good right there. Cut that off. Strip it back. Oh, that should be fun. Go down farther. Should be good right there. There we go. Put this on. And crimp her down. Come here. This crimp tool's pretty old. Hopefully it'll work. Grab it. Right there should be good. There we go. Give her a yank. It's fine. All right, do the white one next. Get out of the way. Don't put them on yet. I'm gonna shove it this way, kind of hold it there. And do the white one. So I'm thinking about there should be fine. Let's cut that off. Yes. Right there. That should work. Strip that back as well. There we go. Always twist your wires. If you don't, it'll just, when you try to put these on, it'll go all over the place. So we'll strip the wires back, twist them, put your electrical fitting on, and crimp her down. We'll do that one more time after this for the ground. Alright. Yank. Good. Swing that around this way as well. Try and hold them there out of the way. That's what your whole point is for that. Stay there. Alright, this one's going to be a little bit tricky. The ground wire, you're going to have to pull these out of the way. I don't really like doing this, but access, yeah, access, that's the word I was looking for, to where you want to go. Oh, come on. Jeez. Get over there. Straight. Bad. Bad wire. Get. Well, come on now. Go somewhere. Shit. Stay. Damn. All right. Now, I'm thinking should be fine with that wire as long as it is. Yes. Cut off a little bit on the end, not much. That should work. Strip it back again. There we go. And twist this one as well. Now, the reason I'm using an eye loop instead of, you know, like a spade or a female connector is the screw, when you go to put that on, you can set it in there and actually push it down to where you want it. If you're using a spade, it's going to slide off. These you could use, but I mean, you need one of these for that, so no point in that. Okay. Then also, when you're doing these connectors, I don't know if you guys can see that, there's a split up on top. Where the split is, you want the opposite end. So you got the little tooth sticking out. You want that on the opposite side of where the split is. So you want like that. So just like that. So this side doesn't have the split, this side does. It'll push it up and fold this center around the end of the wire and actually push it down and crimp it down. That's where it's supposed to be. If you do it the other way, it's liable to slide off. So crimp her down, and you guys can kind of see it's actually smashing into the wire and making full contact. Yank. Good. Now, you need to grab the wire, or not the wire, screw, which I have it in my hand here. Put that into there. Push down into the side over here. And start tightening it up. There we go. Once you get it started, lift it out. Take this wire, make sure it's off of there's a lip on the other side of this. Take it off of that. Don't let it sit there. All right. Hold it back a little bit if you need to. Tighten her down. Now your power supply is grounded there. That's good. Next part. Hook your wires back up for the pump. Yeah, there. You got these two wires. One goes to the pump, one goes to the you got your two wires that go to the center. That's the way I do it. Pump is center, power is on the outside. Make sure you hook everything back up. If you do one wire, say if you go like this, like that, and then these two over here, it won't work. It'll never turn on. Just make sure you do it right. Push that one on. There we go. All right. I'm gonna take my neutral for this one. So actually, I can go on the outside. Spin it around that way. Oh, come on. There we go. This one as well. There we go. Now it's on. It's all tightened. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Test her out, see if she'll work. here. Okay. So, here we go. Good. I actually feel air leaking. I want to see where that's coming from. Might have to do some work on this thing. It's all right though. So that worked. As you guys saw, it is running now. Here's it is, all set up and ready to go. So you got your new cable going in, plugged into the wall right there. It's only 110, but that's it. Pretty easy and simple. That way, you know, now if one of you guys wanted to do it yourselves, you could. One thing to, here, let me readjust this. There we go. Take the zoom off. Don't forget to put this back on. The heck? Alrighty then. I don't know. Oh, I know what that's for. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to put the cover back on. You don't want stuff getting in there. Normally, some pressure switches don't have the side covered like that. So if you have a hole that's open right here and that's not covered, get something to plug it off. They do make caps for them. Make sure you get it. Other than that, that's how you change a power wire for pretty much anything. You know, you got lights like this. It's the same setup. If you take that thing off, it'll be the same type of wiring. You just gotta pay attention to what you're doing. You can change anything out. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know. And maybe I can help you out figuring out some of this stuff. But there we go. Now that's back on there. Push this down, tighten her back up. There we go. Perfect. Alrighty. Plug it. I don't want to leave it plugged in. Oh, wrong light. Okay, well, anyways, you guys saw what I did. They're pretty easy. Don't be afraid of electricity. Just if you're working on something, unplug it. If you can't unplug it, turn the power off or breaker or whatever is running that thing that you're trying to work on. Don't mess around with power, especially electricity, if you don't know what you're doing. Just shut it off, make sure there's no power, test it before you touch it. I mean, other than that, it's simple once you get used to it. Don't be afraid of it. 240 is a different story. That does hurt. 110s, that's just a little tingle, so it's not that bad. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. You can hit that notification bell. It'll let you know anytime I put up a new video. If there's anything you guys are wanting to see, leave it in the comments. Let me know. And I'll see what I can do. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.